Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to share a conversation. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on Otter.ai and then select My Conversations. Now select whichever conversation that you want to share. Let's go with the first one. So you need to select its three dot icon. Now select share. Now enter here the email address of that particular person, and you can even select that you want to collaborate with him or her, or you can just want to let them view. And you can also select the restriction option on the link that you will give them through email, and you can also copy the link by just selecting on this button and give to that person via social media networking sites like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. And you can even post to the share option on the Slack platform. So that's how you guys can share a conversation from Otter. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.